they are the mecca.
Mm.
Navy is. And the reason why is because they're everywhere.
Big time.
And your local credit union might be just your local credit union. You know,
That part.
so it's the difference between being because the credit union I worked at the time when I left them, it was in 2016.
Yeah.
They were a $34 million credit union. So no, they're not going to probably be giving out $20,000 limits all over the place. You know,
They can't afford it.
They can't afford it.
With you being in coming from the credit union industry, what's your honest opinion about people? I won't say overhyping Navy Federal or PenFed. Like, in your opinion, can other credit unions give those same limits as well too, or have you seen that in your past?
And I just got approved for the flagship card for the 20,000.
Wow. Okay. Congratulations.
Thank you. And
now I'm about to actually let me hold some now. No, I'm kidding.
Look. I'm gonna tell you though, they are the mecca. Navy is. And the reason why is because they're everywhere.
Big time.
And your local credit union might be just your local credit union. You know, so it's the difference between being because the credit union I worked at the time when I left them, it was in 2016.
Yeah.
They were a $34 million credit union. So no, they're not going to probably be giving out $20,000 limits all over the place. You know,
they can't afford it.
They can't afford it. So those are big credit unions. Your PenFed, your Navy's. Navy's got credit unions overseas. You know, because they service all the military. So they're everywhere. And therefore they got a lot of members, because your $5 that secures your credit membership with them, that $5 times however many millions of customers they have, you know. Plus, and that's why credit unions are nonprofit. That's why they're nonprofit. All credit unions are nonprofit. It don't matter who it is. All credit unions are nonprofit organizations, because your $5 is your share. You are a shareholder.
Got you.
You're a shareholder. Some credit unions might be 25. My credit union here is 25, and I got another credit union that's $5. And so, I'm in like 3. Let me see. Navy, the one I used to work at, another one. I got 4 credit unions I'm a part of.
Okay.
And they all serve different purposes. The credit union I used to work at, they have the best safe deposit box rates. I got this big old safe deposit box for $34 a year.
Wow.
You know,
okay. Yeah.
You know, and I keep my savings there too. And then the second one that I have, they have the best credit card rates. Their credit card rate is like 8%. You can't find 8%.
Not right now.
Anywhere.
Yeah. Anywhere, for real.
That's what I say. So they got the best credit card rate. I got a credit card with them. I think it's like a $7,500 credit limit on that one. Great rate. If I do need to carry a balance, that's the card I'm putting on, because that's the lowest rate card I got. Okay. So that's what that credit union is for. The other credit union that I have is where I get my cars. If I want to get a new car, me and my husband, if I want to finance, I'm going to them, because I know I can get the best rate. They usually run anywhere between 2% and 3% on interest rates on their cars. So now that I'm in Navy, I want to see what all the hype was. Okay, let's get to the live limit.
Listen, right.
And so, yeah, I mean, they just give it to you, you know. And one thing I do love about credit unions, and this is all over the board, not just Navy. I've heard, Navy is the same way. But this is all credit unions, guys. Listen to this. They want a relationship with you. And when I say relationship, don't just get your money in the account and then go to the ATM and take it out. That's not a relationship. Because if you have bad credit.
Hey guys, real quick, if you're looking to improve your credit score, qualify for homeownership, get a high limit credit card, or lower your car payment, I can help you, okay? I've helped a lot of people. Some of these people came from this channel. Some people are local, like these people behind me. Let me show you guys some quick examples. This client, this client, this client, this client, and yes, even this client. I've helped all of them improve their credit scores and accomplish their credit and financial goals. But check this out. Just for you guys watching this on YouTube, I'm going to give you guys a special promo code code that you can use to go ahead and take advantage of my advanced credit blueprint, okay? To get started, all you got to do is just go to the link inside the description below, and don't forget to use that promo code. Now let's get back to the video.
Okay, if your credit is not good, I mean, like any 650 and below, if you have a relationship with that bank where your money is coming in there, you're using your debit card, you're using their online banking, they are making money off of you that way with interchange fees from your debit card. You're getting e-statements because you don't usually read the paper statement. You're gonna throw it away anyway, so you might as well save the money on those statements. And just get the e-statement. You are also utilizing their services, their online banking, all that type of stuff. They look at that. And so when you need a loan or you want a new car, they're going to look at, okay, Susan, her money comes in here every week or every 2 weeks when she gets paid. I see where she pays her bills. She uses her debit card, blase, blase. She's been a member with us for X amount of years. We don't give her a chance. And I've seen this countless of times in my 15 years. I've seen it. So this is not what I think. This is what I know.
Wow.
I've seen people get a car loan with in the 400s before. In the 400s at the credit union I used to work at. And even in credit unions, you got to understand, if you go through a finance company, which the credit APR could be anywhere from 20 and 30. I did accounting for a dealership. I used to see APRs on a car loan that was the same amount as the car.
What? Like, are you serious?
In another one, yes. Like, I literally saw this. Like, this was so crazy to me, guys. And I don't want to hold you up, but I saw this, and it's like, okay, dude, they're not going to tell you these things, but you have to have these relationships. You have to have these relationships in order to make sure that you are getting the best rate and getting the best options available for you. When it comes to your credit, because if you're going to get a car loan that's going to be like 5 and 6 years, you don't want no 18 and 20 and 30%. And most of the times the credit union is going to cap it off. They have their high limit, and their highest limit might only be 11%.
Right. Okay.
And that might be their highest limit. I mean, not limit, but APR.
APR. Yeah, I got you. The limit that they'll go up to. Correct.
That might be their APR is 11% versus the bank might be 18%, or your local finance company might be 30%.
Wow. See, that's why guys, this is why you guys have to talk to people that come from these industries, right? She saw that for years. This information is so key, because people, I think so many times they don't either ask enough questions or they're just winging it. They don't do any research. And you got to know that a credit union could benefit. It sounds like to me, most people, depending on how you're using your finances and things of that sort. But that's most definitely another take, on credit unions and such. Well, listen, guys, I know y'all want to have Star back, okay? So we most definitely gonna have her back, for sure. So Star, of course, all the stuff that you're dropping, I'm sure you want people to find you in some kind of way. And and again, Instagram is the best way to essentially get a hold of you, correct? Not a hold of you, but to follow you and such.
They can follow me at Simprivilege. That's my business. I don't have a page for what I'm doing now with the credit and everything, but you can email me at starknowscredit@gmail.com if you want to chat me up. I don't mind talking to anybody.
Absolutely. Thank you again, Star. Have a good one. Okay.
Okay, y'all. Thank you.